hello. I have reasonable suspicion to believe that somebody in the faction Desire is mining open. I think I don't know who it is. Might be left click. One of these people in this faction right here is letting the faction HMM get faction points from Desire. Clearly see that there's been a part mined out specifically so that someone could get their core trunk points. So I would probably assume that's HMM. You could probably look at the time this was mined, at the time, whatever cannon they used, or whenever the points were breached, to find out if it was coordinated. I'm assuming it was. I mean, nobody would just take Obby Destroyer and just go like that. So definitely them doing it on purpose, farming for points. They've also been doing illegal cannoning before, so I'll have to get a report on that. They have a cannon that's a 3-wall button spam. They've been doing a lot of illegal shit this season so far, so I don't know how you guys want to check that out. They had somebody mine a hole in my cap, so I could always go check and see if they built a cannon to go through these walls, but their checkbox isn't even off. There's no cannon here for that. So my guess is that somewhere over here they have a cannon midair. Assuming this is it. I don't know. But I would look at their core trunk points because that's clearly been mined. Nobody makes a hole like that. So, I'll keep looking. Keep looking this way and I'll start looking the other way. But 100% certain that it's just Desire, or not Desire, HMM taking their points. So my guess, that's what I've heard from everybody, is that HMM went up about like 10k in points, and Desire lost their points a couple hours ago. So definitely not allowed, and definitely something they've been doing on purpose. It's not like they've gotten staff confirmation to have someone in Desire open a hole. So I'll keep flying this direction for a little bit longer, and then I think I'll go check the other side. But should be coming across a cannon sometime soon, but if not, I'm gonna go to the other side and check it out again. Okay, home Desire. I'll double check that they didn't like use a 255 pseudo and do it, but clear example of fact point farming. So I'll just double check. Doesn't seem like there's anything over here. And then while I'm doing this video, I'll also kind of try to show the this is our cannon right here, unless they claimed it now. I try to show the if I can, I'll attempt to show the illegal cannon they have outside of Satanic Space, if it's still claimed. I think it is still claimed. Satanic claimed it, and I can just demonstrate how it's 3 different cannons all aligned to one button, going off at different times. I have a world download of it, actually, so I could probably show you guys where it is, and then you can look at the world download. I mean, you could... don't really know how you guys would plan to look at who it is. So I can't find any cannon they're using, which is probably okay. Means that they're probably getting rid of it every time. So yeah, here, let me just go fly back and double check that there's no pseudo holes. And then in the same video, I'll go cover the Satanic cannon, or HMM cannon that they built outside of Satanic. So they've been doing a lot of bad stuff so far. I mean, they're trying to glitch Khadgar spawners and not going well. Okay, so go down here. See how it's like that. Definitely somebody detonating. But if you can see, like, who's this? Real Devil underscore. Okay, he's Satanic. He's the one who told me about this. Like, it looks like, yeah, look, this isn't even busted. Somebody's just mined this straight open for anybody to just go through. They mined a hole in the Obby cap. They mined a hole straight through their entire buffer. Like, there's no sand stacks here. If there was it, like, see how this is definitely atomic detonated. Okay. So yeah, definitely them mining open holes just to get straight to their core trunk, about Y243. So this is definitely going to be a big part on their part. And then, time to go to the Satanic cannon, and I'm going to show you guys exactly where it is. So hopefully this still have it claimed, because it doesn't look like it. It's over here. a little bit. Yeah, let's just write down here. Ooh, see somewhere across here. If not, I'm gonna open up this world download. I think this might have been it. So, hold up. You don't get to see very much here, but if you look at my chords at the top left, if there's any chance you guys can remake like whatever this was here. If not, I'll attempt to show you guys. I have a world download of this. There's nothing I could change about it. Haven't even edited it. Don't know how much you guys will believe me on that, but you could probably double check that everything they placed was related to that. I'll just keep flying and making sure that I didn't skip it or anything. So I could be looking at the wrong cannon. I think, yeah, that's our cannon. Don't worry about that. So yeah, go back here. And then I'll switch the recording over to my other Minecraft to show you guys the world download. Just so I don't have to get out of this. So yeah, interesting video, I guess, for this, but so we'll go right here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is it. It's all the dispensers. Okay. There we go. Alright. Single player. Don't know when I would have had this world download, so it's gonna probably pull up a bunch that I've had recently. So we go. There we go. This is it. This is what they have right here. So you can see huge cannon, and if you look at the dispensers here, you got one, power, 3. So you got your different hammers, your powers. It's all linked. It's all really weird. It's got a design where the whole cannon shoots like different shots at a time. It's like alternating, but when you look at it right here, you can see that these two sides will go off at the same time. So that's a 2-wall button shot, and if you can see, it's connected where it is. So you got each side going off at different times, but either way, with one button press, you can still go through multiple walls at once, depending on how you're using the cannon. I would say, I mean, like, unless you can show it going off, they've had it wired up where you can have all 3 shoot at once. It's a way complicated, goes over TNT limit, it appears to be, and seems completely pointless, but I don't think it's allowed. So let's just look here, so you can see the dispensers here, and let's just see if anything looks like this. I'm assuming this may not be the right spot, so we might be a spot over. But I'm not sure. I'll look a little bit more this way and see if I could find it. If not, it's somewhere around here. The chords, actually I have chords here. 1, 5, 7, 5. 1, 4, 5. Okay, it's way down this way. So we're gonna switch back to this count. 1, 4, 5, 7, 5. So it's right past here. It was right here. They've completely mined out the entire thing. So 1, 4, 5, 7, 5. And if you look around, the sand in this completely matches with it. So I'll let you guys decide on this one. This one I think is, I'd say mixed feeling if this one's is bannable. Just because like this system looks really complicated, and it could be like like different button presses like enables different sides of it. But either way, something like this is like it could definitely be used in the wrong way. And I don't know. Let you guys decide this one. It just looks way too weird. It's a 10 stacker, it seems like, yeah. So seems to shoot right here. But I'll let you guys decide what you want on this one. So there we go. So like 10-minute recording. This is just me showing off 2 of the things I think they might be doing is illegal. The first one definitely is illegal. Second one I would say I'm not entirely sure on. So just so you guys know, chords of this cannon are top left, 14559, 316. Titanic space, you can get that. And then chords for the Desire's base is negative 300, a negative 350, one, and then border, negative border. So there you go. Those are the two bases, and hopefully you guys can reach a decision on this. Hopefully this is enough. It's not like I can provide exact details when it happens. It's not like I have to be on, exactly when something like this happens. So hopefully you guys understand the complexity and stuff like this and reports like this, that you guys can get an answer. So thanks.